Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to see this playing with numbers. This is again a competitive examination concept, how we can do with the numbers, play with the numbers. So we'll consider initially with respect to two digits. How many digits? Two digits, right? So in the digit means, so you'll be having unit position as well as 10 position, right? So unit position as well as 10 position, right? Suppose if I write like 0 and it is like this, unit position value is 0 and 10 position is like this. So it is, the value of this can be written as 10, right? 1 into 10 power 1, 0 into 10 power 0, right? So this value is 10, right? So now we'll speak about this. What is that? Is remainder, okay? So they are going to give you the two-digit number, and they are asking you to find out the remainder from that, right? Now, so suppose if I told you to take a two-digit number, so assume that take the two-digit number like this. What is that? 23. This is step number 1. So in the step number 2, I will tell you to reverse this two-digit number. So it becomes what? 32. In the third step, what I will tell you is to add these two combinations. What is that? 23 and 32. What you will get? 55. Right? Then, after that, here, whatever the number which we got it, so I will tell you to divide it by what? 11. And what is the thing, what is going to happen here? 55 divided by 11, what is the remainder you will get? 11 5s are 56, 55. So what is the value of remainder? Remainder value is 0. So this is what, without calculating also, I can tell that if you just give some two-digit number, I will say that that value, that is going to get remainder 0 or not, right? So here, what is exactly mathematics is involved, I will tell that. Look at this. What is exactly mathematics involved is two-digit number. That two digits I will consider it as AB. So here, since it is a 10th position, it is first one, I will consider it as 10A. And what is the unit position? It is B, like this, right? So this AB can be written as AB is nothing but what it is, 10A plus B, right? So this is the step number 1. What is the step number 2? Reversing. What is reversing? What is happening here? Happening is this part. It is step number 2. Now what we should do? We should add this, right? So if I add, what I will get? AB plus BA is equals to this side 10A plus B plus 10B plus A. So what you will get? 10A and A, it is 11A. B and 10B, it is 11B. If I take common 11, so what you will get? A plus B. Is it correct? Right? So here AB plus AB, you will get 2AB. 2AB. Right? So now just look at and observe this. This is the number which we are going to take for the division. Divide it by what number? 11 number. Right? So that is the theory behind playing with this number about the remainder. So if I take this number and if I divide it for what process? For addition process. What is the remainder I am going to get? The remainder what I am going to get is 0. If I divide it by 11, 11 by 11 is remainder is 0. Right? So this is the case with respect to the addition. Now can we see this with respect to subtraction? Right? So we will see with respect to subtraction. So for subtraction only, I will take the same number, right? So here the remainder is remainder. Here the first number what I will take is the same number 23. Reverse it, so I will get 32, right? So now instead of adding, what we should do in the third step, we should subtract. Subtract smaller number from the bigger number. So which is the smaller number in this case? The smaller number is 23, bigger number is 32. So 32 minus 23 we will do it. What is 32 minus 23? So it is 9. Is it correct? So it is 9. So for this case, what you have to do? We have to do the division by what? 9. So what it is? 9 is the result which you got, and you should divide it by 9, right? So what is the remainder? So sorry, what is here? What is the remainder you are going to get? 0. 9 by 9 is 1, right? The remainder is you are going to get 0. Nothing is left out, right? So now what is the mathematics involved here? So mathematics involved is initially it was AB. Now instead of plus, what you should write? Minus. Here also instead of plus, you should write minus. So here it is, we should subtract, right? So if you subtract here AB minus BA, what you are going to get here? We are going to get 0. And here this is 10 minus B. And this is, I will rewrite here, minus of 10b minus a. So what you will get here? 10a minus b. This is minus 10b and this is plus a. This what you are going to get now, right? Just look at this. 10 and this, it is 10a. Okay. This is plus. This is plus. Now we are subtracting. Sorry. This is plus, and here subtraction is there. That is correct. Here this is just double draw, so we'll understand it clearly. Right. So what we should do now? 10a plus b minus 10b minus a. That is what we will get, right? So 10a minus a is what? 9a. This is minus 9b. So what I will get here? 9 of a minus b. Is it correct? So 9 of a minus b I will get, and here the LHS part is 0. Right? So now this is the 9 which we have taken for the division. So if I divide it by 9, what is the remainder you are going to get? 0. So if it is addition, you should divide it by what? You should divide it by 11. If it is a subtraction, you should divide it by 9. And this whole thing is applicable for what is, how many number of digits? 2 digits, remainder. It applicable for how many digits? 2 digits remainder, right? So now, can we see it for 3 digits? What is going to happen for 3 digits? Let us analyze it, right? On the basis, on the same ground, similar grounds, we will see for 3 digits addition as well as subtraction, right? So once you understand the 2 digits, there is no issues with the 3 digits, right? So here, how we can write for 3 digits? It is ABC, right? So 3 digits can be written as, it is 100th position, 10th position and unit position, right? So this is the first number. This is step number 1. If I reverse this, it becomes CBA and it is 100C, 10B, and it is what? A. Correct? CBA. So now what is the third step? Third step, we should add. We should add this, right? So if I had this with this, so here it is A, here it is A, what you will get? 100, 1, A. Then with respect to B, what it is? 20 B. With respect to C, what it is? 100 C. Is it correct? Check. So 100, 101, 20. Slight correction is there. So we are playing with how many digits? 3 digits. So we should take 3 times ABC as 100 position 100A, 10B, and unit is C. So here we started with the C and AB. So starting C, so it is 100 is C, this is B, and unit is this, and in this case 100 is B, 100 position C, and this is 3. So we should add these 3, right? So if we add these 3, what you will get is the question. A, and A. What is that? 100, 10, 1. So it is 111 A, right? Then consider with respect to C, 100 C, 10 C, and 1 C. So it is 111 C. With respect to B also same, 100 B, 10 and 1. So it is 111 B. So what is the common thing? 111 is a common thing. So you will get A plus B plus C, right? So here also same, ABC, CAB, and BCA. So I am interested in this part now. What is that? 111, right? Whenever you are taking this 111, suppose if I take the split as 37 into 3, it is 111 of A plus B plus C. So what you are going to get here? A, ABC, ABC, ABC. What is the meaning of that? 3 times ABC is there. So this 3 and this 3 is common is there. So what is the dividing term is there now? Dividing term is 37, so that you will get the remainder 0. For what digit? For the 3 digits, right? So can we take one example? 237 I will take. So first I will take as 237, right? So this is the first digit. Then the next digit I will take as, so you can swap this like 723. From this only 723 I have written. So from B, so it is 3, C means 7, and A means it is 2. Now I will add this. If I add this 10, 12, 10, 13, so 13 plus 7 is 20, 22. So you will get 22. So this, if it is divided by 37, if it is divided by 37, I will get some value, but the remainder is 0. Cross check. The remainder is sure shot, it is 0. Right? So that is the importance of this 37 because of this 111. Right? So when there are 3 digits are there which is given, so whatever the combinations you can do and add, you should divide it by 37 and the remainder you are getting as 0. Right? So for this, one more thing. Suppose if we go for the subtraction, what is going to happen for subtraction? We should take subtraction one from the other, right? So I can take the subtraction of these two, right? So at that time, what is going to happen, right? So that we should think. So here I will take this as like this for 3 digits. For 3 digits, what is the subtraction? Suppose same procedure, but we should subtract here very carefully, right? For subtraction, we will take A greater than C. For this case, A greater than C. So here, when it is A greater than C, so we will choose this one, that is 100A plus 10B plus C, right? Since A is greater, so I will take the subtraction of this. C means lesser, so it is 100C plus 10B plus A. So it is CBA combination we have taken. You can take whatever you want, C and B, and it is A. Now do the subtraction. 100 and this, so you will get 99A. 10B with 10B will get cancelled, so it is minus 100 and this one, so it is 99C. So what is a common? 99 is a common, A minus C. When A is greater than C, at that time what you should divide? You should divide it by 99. You should divide it by what? 99. When at this case, what you are going to get? You are going to get the remainder 0, because you can observe this A minus B and A minus B. What is the LHS? LHS is 0. You can observe this. You can subtract the LHS also. So the remainder is 0. Right? Similarly, you can test it for C greater than A. C greater than A. What is the meaning of C greater than A? So C greater than A. CBA. So this is ABC. Right? So 100C minus C is 99C. 10B, 10B will get cancelled. This A and this is 99A. So you will get what it is? C minus A. Obviously LHS is 0. So divide it by 99, you are going to get a remainder 0. And this condition is C greater than A. Right? So this is how we have seen a remainder calculation. What we have just seen now, all the process, remainder calculation we have seen. For what? 2 digits. And that subtraction and addition. 3 digits. Same addition and subtraction. This is what we have seen playing with the numbers. Right? If you have 2 digits, right? If you have 2 digits, if it is addition, what you should do? Divide it by 11 so that you will get what? Remainder 0. If it is subtraction, you should divide it by 9 so that you will get a remainder 0. If it is a 3 digits, if it is addition, what it is? You should divide it by 37 so that you will get a remainder 0. Right? For this case, you should divide it by 99 so that you will get a remainder 0. So this is what you should final conclusion. Okay. Thank you. We'll see in the next video with the next topic. Thank you.